So we're at Pinnacle Mountain. You excited?
Yeah.
We've never been here.
We're in Arkansas.
Yeah, I forgot to mention
To
that
see my sister.
It's all our first time.
part. Yeah. So we're expecting to see some pretty views. Not really sure at this point, but we'll, yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
We just went in a circle.
Yep.
We're going up that? How you doing?
Not done yet.
This is awesome. We made it. How's it going?
Good, man. How are you?
Good. There they are. I met a friend, like always. You did, Courtney?
I am Zen.
More people. And a dog. Now are we following the yellow?
I think so. This is where I get on it.
Someone about fell. Someone about fell. And I did not catch that. Dang it. You know, it's sad when there's a dog just showing us up. You guys want to get ahead of us?
The dog does. Thanks for that.
Every now and then turn it off so it doesn't kill the battery.
Oh, I don't want to miss you doing something stupid.
Yeah, it's on. Hi. Can I pick it up?
Yes.
Okay. Look at this.
Okay.
Is she peeing?
Oh, she's excited.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, puppy. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes.
You can just hear the electricity. All right. I think we're done today, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we're done.
All
Eat.
right.
Food.
Yeah.
Water.
Yeah. I definitely suggest if you do it, bring snacks.
Oh, yeah.
We didn't bring that many. All right. We'll catch you in the next video.